Alright, what is up mga ka-tech shop? I have here 5Ber Esim, which is sent to me for review, and they sent me an Ultra edition and a Standard edition. So we're gonna be reviewing the Ultra edition, and I have a phone here that we can use for testing. So the packaging, this is how the packaging looks like. And it says here, download the app to check if your device is compatible with 5Ber eSIM instantly. Okay, so meaning we need to connect to the internet first. So I'm just gonna connect this phone to the internet so we can download an app. Wi-Fi, yeah, it is connected to the internet. All right, so let's download. So to download, we need to go to, all right, this is, by the way, Infinix Smart 8, which is an Android phone. All right, let me just complete the login for Play Store. So it says here we need to download an application for 5Ber. Okay, so we'll need to search 5Ber eSIM. Yeah, this one. Let's download that one. Continue. And then I'm gonna skip for now. Now we have installed the app. Let's leave it for now. It's there. It's open and read the manual. Alright, so we need to insert the SIM eSIM card into the phone's card slot. And download the 5Ber eSIM app, which is done. Then download your profiles. So here's your eSIM. It's gonna look like this. SIM card slot opener. So let's go ahead and open the SIM card tray. This one is for nano SIM. This one here, nano SIM. So I have inserted the eSIM to the phone. Will it read the SIM card though? So let's open up 5Ber app. Is it not responding? Wait, let's close it. Okay, there you go. Only one 5Ber eSIM card is required to travel around the world without worries. So just click next. Supports any eSIM provider. Buy from eSIM providers that offer the best prices for different countries, regions. Just download them directly to your device using app. And by the way, if you order a SIM card through the link on the description, I can give you a 10% discount for this eSIM. So check the link on the description of this video. Right, manage multiple eSIM profiles, install up to 15 profiles with one SIM card. So just imagine if you're a traveler, you don't need SIM cards per country. All you have to use is just one SIM card, and you'll be able to use it all over the world. So it's gonna minimize on losing SIM card. And welcome. So right now, let's explore. So you just enter your email address here, and then your passcode, and then that's it. So I managed to register my account on the app. Click to view compatibility. Incompatible, confirm. Oh, so this phone is not compatible. Unfortunately, it's not compatible. Purchase card. So this is what you will see once you successfully logged into eSIM. So just click next here. Asia Pacific, since I'm in Asia. Okay, next. Got it. Allow. These are the available eSIM plans. Popular destinations: Europe, China, mainland, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia, Korea, USA, Singapore, United Kingdom.